I want to show you how to make a Gibson Hazard Zoom Effect in Premiere Pro. To start on the Gibson Hazard Zoom, you're going to need a bunch of clips, and they all need to be 3 frames long. To do this, move your timeline slider to the start of the clip, hit the right arrow key 3 times, then collapse the rest of the clip back. Once you've reduced all your clips to 3 frames, make sure they're side by side on your timeline like this. Go over to Effects, type in Transform, and then drag it on top of the first clip. Now go to Effect Controls and scroll down to Transform. Then click the stopwatch icon for Scale. Move your timeline slider to the end of the clip and change the value to 200. To apply this effect to the other clips, right-click Transform and select Copy. Then go over to each other clip and right-click and paste it under Effect Controls.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.